I just love cooking.
Hey, Nick, come over here for a sec.
Hello?
Hello? Who's there?
It's just me.
What?
Nick, if you're gonna cook, you gotta bring me down, because I'm gonna go off.
Well, smoke detector, sir. I'm not legally supposed to take you down.
Well, can you at least cover me up? If I sense any smoke in this house, I'm beeping.
Well, I don't know what you want me to do. How am I supposed to cover you up?
Stop making excuses. You covered yourself up this morning.
I mean, I guess I could put this hat on you, but how am I supposed to put this on? I just don't know.
Nick, what are you doing?
Covering up the smoke detector?
Nicholas, the sign literally says do not cover smoke detectors. Why did you cover the smoke detector?
Because it told me to, Mikey.
Nick, it was me the whole time. I was talking through the door.
And what, this whole thing was just to test me?
Yeah, Nick, a test in which you failed. If the house burns down, it's on you.
Mikey?